Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Fitment channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see how to install Mercedes Wheel Spacers and shutter wheel bolt. We have installed the 35mm wheel spacers on the Mercedes G-Class, and now let's go to install the BONOSS shutter wheel bolt. Let's go. BONOSS wheel bolts are made by the forging process. The forging process is formed by continuously strong pressure extrusion. The 12 petals shaped on the top are battened by a large tonnage machine at one time. Ordinary forging cannot form this pattern on the hard alloy steel SCM440, which form the reflect BONOSS super forging process. Safety is always the function and promise of all BONOSS designs. Beauty and safety are the most attractive feature of wheel bolts. Not only are there 8 colors, but there are also 8 to choose from, making the appearance of wheels not only more outstanding but also safe. Installing shutter wheel bolts is not only the way of experienced professional but also the pursuit of beauty and the attitudes of loving life. While getting a better appearance, it can also ensure the driving safety of the vehicle. At the same time, the special slip and four-lock wheel bolts are given to prevent the wheel from being stolen and improve safety. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day!